Okay, I'm going to give you a sneak preview of the AI Tutor Hub. When you come to the page, you're going to click on Open Workspace or Sign In. When you come, you're going to see three sections. The first section is where you can upload your information, whether it's going to be a PDF, a YouTube link. We're going to also have articles that you can upload any web page on the internet. Once you do that, you'll see your documents are materials here, the number that you have uploaded. Then under here, you're going to have your options of the type of what type of what do you want analyzed. Over here, once you click on it, it'll show up here in your documents section. You'll be able to click on it, and then you can request to get a analysis of whether whether you want a summary, a key points, or a total review. Once you do that, you'll see the contents over here, and you'll be able to talk with and discuss any documents or anything that you're selected with the AI. And then we're going to also add some more features to help enhance the learning experience. Okay, that's it for now. Make sure to join for free in the community. Take care.